Hello, and I hope you and your family are well as you're getting back into the swing of things, getting back into the school year. Clients are constantly reaching out. They look around their house and there's some things they wish they could change. However, they don't want to go through the whole process of hiring people and dealing with the construction and doing it all. Well, guess what? You don't have to. There are some really easy things you can do around your house that can make a difference, can make it feel more comfortable, and heck, even add a little value in the meantime. Take a look at the list of the items below, and if you have any questions or maybe even need some help with any of these processes, please call me. Reach out because I would love to either help myself or point you in the direction of somebody that can. Ultimately, I want to make sure you feel happy and comfortable in your home. So take these tips below, use them, have a little fun with them, and enjoy your October.